Mommy. Hi guys, it's Mama again and Lyric. Lyric is down here, so bear with me if I say hi. Say hi, Mommy. Say hi. Say hi. While she's playing with the sand, of course. Oh, we are at a church. Yeah. We were blessed, we played, we praised, we danced. I wish you could see us. And well, I'm so disappointed. I just came out of church and like there's no water. So I'm like, oh, is this the kind of issue that's really big and it's affecting even mom and Lyric there? Can you imagine? Just look at her. She's also disappointed that our tap, this tap, doesn't have water. No matter how much I twist it, it's not coming out. And we still have a little building to do. So, really, you're falling behind. Come on, catch up. Come here, honey. Zalia, mom. Come, baby. So I just imagine I'll have to get her back from there. And I have like my wisdom teeth are growing and they're heck of painful. Like I can't chew anything hard. So like I have to either cook something liquidy. I don't know how to say it if not liquidy, or drink porridges. Porridge. It's not porridge. Porridge. And it's so painful. I don't even know what to do or how long it will last. So I'm just doing this because Daddy's not here. Well, he's somewhere. Not really gonna say where he is, but he'll be right back. And yeah, now we are going to the house to, I don't know, I hope the water will come because God, you can survive without water. Water is life, Bana. So, really, catch up, honey. Come on. So we're gonna go and drink whatever we have in the house. And so wait for Daddy and prepare some food. Yeah, and Ririk, come on, honey. As you can see, I'm outside the house, and that's our lovely compound. Yeah, it's that bushy, but I have planted some beans, and there's pumpkins on the other side. Well, it's still a rainy season, and yeah, I'm gonna go back to the house, and thank you guys.